Hi guys, welcome back to Gearbest channel, and on this video we're not going to say anything about telling you what's good to buy, but we are going to tell you what's really playful to get. And everything you see here are the decorations not for your house but for yourself during the holiday seasons, and it's probably right now the Thanksgiving, or it's probably right now your Christmas time. I don't know when this is gonna arrive at your door, but look at everything over here. It's shining, and it's actually some custom petals that you can make. And let's start it with this one. They tell me not to wear this during the beginning of the video, but I really want to wear the glasses all the time, and I'm going to keep it on no matter how mad they are. And I'm going to try this hat on for you guys. This is just a very normal hat, and how big is the battery and the PCBA part? It's like this big, and it's exactly two thumbs big. And putting it on. Okay, I'm not a huge fan of wearing hats. Anyways, I'm going to put it back. And another thing is I'm really excited about is the glasses, and the glasses are having this. And looking at the back of the glasses, you can actually see through. I'm going to tell you guys why this could be seen through. That I'm going to wear this and introduce you guys about the masks in front of me. Okay, I'm going to put it on. See how cool I look. I know how cool I look because I just looking at myself through from the mirror. Okay, I'm going to wear this because I can still see you guys. And here we go. So this one is a mask, and the mask has the LED panel inside, so it's actually a little bit crispy, but it's not thick, and it's like this thick from the side. And also you can put something inside of here if you want to give yourself some extra protection. And right now we are doing here a PM 2.5, so you can definitely breathe fresh air out of this. And the good thing is that it also has, what's the password? Okay, and when you play this music around, and the light just automatically match it up, and you can always change. So let's look at this, and this size light. See, I can still see everything, right? I show you guys about this. And you can change all the panels that you like to all different panels that you like. So this is pretty cool, and you can always type in the letters that you want to show. So because the COVID-19 is still with us, I don't know when exactly gonna fade away, but make sure that every time when you go visit a family, a close family, but you do have to visit them, keep this on. It looks pretty cool, and you can always say Merry Christmas, like X Christmas. And let me put it on. I'm fully protected, and do I look cool? Do I look someone like super weird walking on the street? But I think you guys will enjoy this. Okay, this is enough showing you guys. And different themes. Okay, so those are two different themes, and this one is very similar with this. And the panel here is not thick, and the battery over here is only this big. So it's about the same size. It's funny to wear around, so just ignore how comfortable it's gonna be, and it's not that uncomfortable. And this one, it's definitely Christmas. If you sing Jingle Bell with your kids, then this one gonna make them happy, because every time when they look up to you, they see this Christmas tree and the snowman. And if your area actually snows, then you can always build a snowman and play with your kids. So get it now and make sure all of this ship to you before holiday ends, and you can definitely wear those through the winter time or whenever you want. So you guys take care, and happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, whatever wishes that you're gonna see when you watch this video. Take care, bye.